How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here in Japan. Today we're going to be taking a hotel room tour of the new hotel here in Yokosuka called Hotel Newport Yokosuka. And it looks really nice, so we got to get in there and check that out. And here we are at room 873. Now, I have a friend who is kind enough to let us do this room tour, so there are going to be some things I'll point out that are his and not part of the hotel stay. But let's get on in there and check it out. And as we enter, directly to the left, we have a dryer and washer. They're not a combo, which is really nice. You have to open this when the dryer's on so it can vent into the space. So do keep your vent on because it will create a lot of moisture inside your room. Over here we have the key, which is if we shut off, shuts all the lights off. We turn the key back on, turns all the lighting back on. From the key to the right, we have a toaster oven, or an oven, I guess you would say. Nice, looks very new. This is a new hotel, so there's going to be a lot of new things. As you can see, his shoes are here. Like I said, I had a friend let us do the tour here. Over here, we have a induction stove. I still believe it's an induction stove. And with coming with all your pots and pans and your utensils and silverware, all provided with your another toaster oven there and coffee pot. Sink with provided soaps. None of that stuff is provided. Up here, your cups, your plates, all provided as well. Now we're going to turn around and go into the bathroom. From the kitchen, as we enter the bathroom, we have a Japanese style toilet with all your options here, like bidet and all that. And then big old mirror. How you guys doing? This soap is provided here. It's a hand soap. And then some towels on the rack. Over here we have a very large shower head. That is new. 3 provided soaps there. That's some good water pressure right there. I like that. I do like the water pressure here in Japan. And of course, toilet paper controls. As we head out of the bathroom, we go to the left. And we see we have a huge L-shaped desk here with a really nice chair. I like that chair. It's very comfortable. Got to try it out. Big mirror again. Over here will be your Wi-Fi password and room number and password. Plenty of outlets, lighting all over the place. From the desk, we move over to this very large fridge. We have, some foods and stuff in there. And then down here, a freezer. And then a cold storage for like your fruits and vegetables and stuff like that you want to keep in there. And then above all that is a microwave. And then we look at all this storage space. So you can put your luggage, your bags, your whatever you have. You have plenty of room to hang up your clothes in there. I'm not going to open that out of respect to the person who let me check out the room. And then we have one of my favorite chairs, except it's not green this time, it's in blue. It fully reclines. You have plenty of space to lay back. It's very comfortable. If you guys seen the new Yokosuka Hotel Towers room video I did, they have the same style chair, just green instead of blue, and it's so comfortable. From the comfortable chair, we have what looking like a full-size mattress here and a twin over there. There are 2 beds in this room, which is very interesting. As you can see, we have some USB outlets and outlets on the side to plug things in. Plenty of lighting in the overhead, which controls right there and right there. Above the beds, you have your heater air conditioner combo. From the beds to the entertainment console here, you can see we have a very large TV. We're saying about 45 inches or something like that there. Storage for your clothes, drawers, remote with plenty of TV options. The PlayStation does not come with the room. You can see we have more outlets, more light sockets, tissues, and now let's head out into the balcony. And you can see we are currently at sunset here. That is the tower here in Yokosuka. You can see we were right above Highway 16 here in the main part. There's your heater air conditioner right there. Your break wall, and it doesn't look like there's any chairs on the balcony, but there's plenty of space to have multiple people out here, and it's got a decent view from up above. So as you can see, if you watched the previous video of the Hotel New Yokosuka Tower Apartments, It's got a lot of the same similarities. It is ran by the same company, but it is very nice. Your heater controls here. This is how you control your heater there. And yeah, it's a nice room. I actually really like the view. That's amazing. So if you guys have any questions or comments you want to leave them down below. I'll try to answer them the best I can. Of course, if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we'll be doing more room tours and adventures here in Japan in the near future. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.